Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. In view of our discussion made in answering points 1 and 2 above, we are of the considered view that the findings of the court below regarding the valid execution of the guarantee bonds and the liability flowing thereunder as against the sureties is just and proper and does not suffer from any illegality or perversity. Stop. However, as already held by us, the proceedings initiated are barred by limitation. Stop. This aspect of the matter is very distressing to note, inasmuch as the authorities of the respondent corporation have not chosen to initiate any action either against the principal debtor or against the sureties, although there has been a total default committed by the company inasmuch as not even one installment or part of it is discharged and no payment whatsoever is made. Stop. Admittedly, the last of the installment was due as back as in the year 1986 and the notice against the principal debtor was issued as back as in the year 1987. Stop. Till 1992, what action has been taken by the corporation and its authorities for recovering such a huge sum is not mentioned, nor any explanation is forthcoming anywhere, either in the pleadings or in the evidence. Stop. This clearly shows a total callous approach of the authorities in dealing with the public money. Stop. The guilty who are responsible for such huge money belonging to the public undertaking being lost have to be dealt with in accordance with law. Stop. The lethargy in initiating the recovery proceedings within the time of limitation and in allowing the whole claim to be barred by limitation smacks of complicity of the authorities. Stop. Such things shall not be allowed to go uninvestigated and uninquired. Stop. Para. It is seen from the proceedings that respondents number 1 and 2 have not chosen to contest the matter. Stop. The order passed by the district judge has attained finality in so far as respondents number 1 and 2 are concerned, as they have not chosen to challenge the order passed by the district judge in miscellaneous case number 25 of 1994. Stop. As regards appellant number 2, herein he has withdrawn the appeal and an order to this effect is passed on August 17, 2004 by this court, recording his memo and dismissing the appeal as withdrawn so far as the second appellant is concerned. Stop. Thus, what remained to be examined in this appeal is the challenge made by the sole appellant who is prosecuting this appeal. Stop. The order impugned having attained finality as regards the other guarantors except the appellant herein, we would like to make it clear that the relief to be granted in this case is confined only to the appellant and not to others. Stop. It is open for the corporation to proceed against the other sureties in accordance with law. Stop. The appeal filed by the appellant is allowed. Stop. The order under challenge passed by the city civil judge in miscellaneous case number 25 of 1994 dated January 3, 2004 is hereby set aside only in so far as it pertains to the liability of the appellant herein. Over.